Hi, this is Inna and you are welcome to Lady FTV, the best place to carry future wealth and well-being. Guys, last week I got a lot of emails with two repeating questions. First one, if I see any swing trade opportunities in gold market. And the second one, why do I think the world economy has a year or few till next financial crisis? So let me answer these questions before we will have a look at euro. Now let's come back to gold market and to your questions. I'm not ready to take any swing trades at the moment, and all because of coming elections in November. I think that it's better for now for coming few weeks to focus on scalping and take your profits as soon as possible. But yes, after November elections, I will be looking for swing trades, but I can't say what levels, etc., because I need to have a clear view on fundamentals and to understand the technicals that will be at that moment. And the second question about world economy and crisis. Oh my goodness, what an interesting question. Yes, in my previous video, I mentioned that world economy has a year or two of rising because of its cycles. Recent sell-off in stock market has nothing to do with crisis. It's just profit booking before elections. And yes, we still can see a bit more of decline. But if we are talking about world economy, I see main problem and main risk for economy in huge government debt. And let me explain how these things work. To stimulate economy, central bank decreases interest rates and print more money to buy financial assets. So at this moment, all are happy because markets are rising, credits are so cheap, and all people seems to be so rich and so happy. But let's have a deeper look at what is happening. And to keep it very simple, just imagine you earn $10 and can buy 10 apples. But loans are so cheap, so you decided to take a loan of $1 and buy 11 apples. That means you will spend more, and the guy who is selling apples will earn more. And in this moment, cycle goes up. But that is a very dangerous situation because at this stage of the cycle, middle class almost disappears because the people who owns financial assets are getting more and more rich every day, and those who don't have financial assets are getting more and more poor each day. So all seems to be fine with this. Still, your debt is less than your income. But if opposite happens, you have to tighten your belt. And in the case of government, the government has to tighten monetary policy and increase interest rates. So, how do you think? What will be result of these actions? Credit will become unavailable for most of the people. That means less credit, less money, less spending, less income, and as a result, the cycle goes down. That is very simple explanation, but I think it will help you to understand money flow better and to understand at what stage we are now and what to expect and what to watch. But now let's come back to euro market. I want to show you my Elliott wave count. I think this week an up channel will be built in this market, and based on my count, we are already in the first wave, and I think this wave will end on Monday near 1.1550. The next I expect pullback to 1.1480 and the end of wave 3 at 1.1630. Next, the pullback and the end of wave 4 at 1.1560 and end of wave 5 1.1670. Once again, I want to remind you that these numbers are approximate and you have to watch price action near mentioned levels. As always, I keep my trading signal subscribers updated if I see the confirmation based on price action. That's all for today. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Follow me on social links below, and I will catch you next time on Lady FTV.